Today we're going to race Lightning McQueen. So we're going to introduce the cars that we're going to do. First we have Doc Hudson. Then we got Diecast King. And then we got Cruz Ramirez. Rusty's Cruz Ramirez. And then we got Fabulous Lightning McQueen. And then we got Boost. And then we got Jackson Storm. And then we got Jeff Corvette. It's an old one. And then we got Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Which car is the fastest? On the marks. Go. Rusty's Lightning McQueen has one. Marks, it's set. Jeff Corvette wins. Marks, it's set. Rusty's Lightning McQueen first. On your marks, get set. Jackson Storm wins. On your marks, get set. Jackson Storm again is second. I thought Jackson Storm would be that first. On your marks, get set. Jeff Corvette is third. I like to see that. Fabulous Lightning McQueen. I like to see that. We got Fabulous Lightning McQueen again. I like to see that. Then it's the King. No, Boost. I like to see that. Boost again. I like to see that. Diecast King. That's Diecast King. Marks, heat set. Diecast King again. Marks, heat set. Doc Hudson. Marks, heat set. Cruz Ramirez. Marks, heat set. Doc Hudson. Cruz Ramirez is last. The only girl in this race, and she's last. So first is Rusty's Lightning McQueen. Second is Jackson Storm. Third is Jeff Corvette. And fourth is Fabulous Lightning McQueen. Fifth is Boost. Sixth is Diecast King. Seventh is Doc Hudson. Last is Cruz Ramirez. Bye, guys. See you in the next video tomorrow.